Hello friends, today we will be solving dynamic programming question, which is lead code 1277, count square submatrices with all ones. So in this there will be m into n matrix given, and in that there will be zeros and ones. As you can see, we have to calculate the maximum number of squares submatrices. Okay, so if we say this, then we will come to know that of one size there are 10 submatrices. 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. These are the 10 one size matrices. There are 4 squares of side 2, means this one, this one, this one, and this one, and there is a one square of side 3, this one. So basically we have to calculate these squares. So in order to achieve this, what we have done is, like, we have initialized count equal to 0, then we are iterating all the element of multidimensional matrix. Okay, and then we are checking if I is greater than 0 and j is greater than 0, and matrix I j greater than 0. This means that if the element is 1 and I and j are greater than 0, means at least we'll start with this element, this second one element, and we will be checking that let's see what's happening. If we will start with this Wali index. So over here I is equal to 0, so it will not go in this loop, and we'll be just adding the count. Like 1 will come, it will be added, 1 will come, it will be added to count, 1 will be added to count. Again over here j is equal to 0, I is equal to 1, so it will not go into loop, and 1 will be added to this count. Again over here, this is over here matrix I of j. In this, I is greater than 0 and j is greater than 0. Over here I is 1 and j is 1. So what we'll do is, like, we'll check like all these three elements 1 0 1, and we'll take the minimum and we'll add 1 to it, and we'll be storing over here over in this. So let's look at over here, matrix I minus 1 j minus 1 mat dot mean matrix I minus 1 j matrix I minus I j minus 1 plus 1. So over here the minimum is 0, and plus 1 we'll be storing 1 over here, which is again it is over there also, so not an issue, and we'll be we'll add it to the count. Again we will come over here and we'll check what is the minimum of upside this and this, which is 1, and we'll add 1 to it, so we'll be storing 2 over here. So we'll add count plus 2, we'll go over here. Again over here the updated value will be 2 1 1, so over here 1 is the minimum of all three, then we'll be add 1 and we'll make it 2 over here also. We'll add it to the count. Again we'll come over here, only 0 will be added. Over here 1 will be added because 0 is the minimum, and we'll be adding 1 to it. Again over here, then the value over here will be 2 1 1, so over here 1 will be minimum, and we'll add 1 to it. We'll make it 2 and we'll add 2 to it. Again over here, this is like the last updated matrix value will be 2 over here, 2 over here, and 2 over here. So minimum will be 2, and we'll add 3 to the count, and it will make it, and then we will be returning the count. So let's see whether it gets submitted or not. Yes, it is getting submitted, and it is quite fast.